I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts. So I'm going to count from this side. So I shall be counting 10 on this side, 10 on the other side. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, this is the 10th one. So I'm going to mark it with my stitch marker to give it a demarcation at that point. So as you can see, I've made a stitch marker just to demarcate where I'm to start the reduction at this front, on this front part. So right now we are going to continue from the back, from where we stopped the other time. So still I continue from there. I'm going to chain 1, then single crochet all to this point, where I make my demarcation. So right now we have got to where we are going to start our reduction. So right now I will yarn it over. Can you see? I insert into the first one, I bring it out. I also insert into the next one. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on my hook. I bring everything out at a time. So I yarn it over, I insert. Can you see? Insert into the next one again, the next loop. Then I bring everything out at a time. You see? Then I continue like that till I get to here. So I will be reducing by 1 there. As you can see, we have made the first reduction up to that point. So we are going to continue our single crochet from there. Next loop, single crochet. Then we continue like that till we get to the back, single crochet. As you can see, we have completed the first round of reduction. So we are going to go the second round. So I'm going to continue again. I'm going to chain 1, then I continue with single crochet, so I'm going to continue like that till I get to this point where our reduction starts. So we are going to continue our reduction from this point. So we start the reduction, I yarn first, I insert. This is where it starts. I bring it out, I insert straight into the second loop. So I have 4 chains on the hook. Then I will now bring everything out at a time, all the 4 chains out at a time. Then I yarn again into the next two loops. This is the first one. I insert into the second one. Can you see? I bring it out. Then I bring everything out at the same time. So at this junction, you have to be very careful so we continue. I yarn it over, I insert into the next loop, bring it out into the next one, and I bring everything out at a time. Can you see? So this is how we are going to continue reducing till we get to this point here, this point. So we have completed the reduction. So we continue with our normal single crochet. till we get to the back. So as you can see, we have completed it. So the next thing we shall be doing is what I shall be inserting here to make a cover in this front part. So right now we are going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but I'm going to extend it backward by 1. So I'll be inserting my hook here, then we start. So I'm going to chain 1, then we start single crochet in the 5 loops, so one has to be very careful. Sorry, single crochet, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Single crochet. So right now this is 5. Now I'm going to extend it by 2 more. So I have 1, still single crochet, 1, then 2. So I'm going to turn it inward. Can you see? Then I'm going to start my single crochet from the 3rd. I'm going to skip these 2. I will skip these 2 2 loops. I start from the third one, single crochet, 1 2, then the third one, single crochet, that's 1, 2, 3,